Bangkok has a new addition to offer the tourists. It's the highest point of the city and it lets you see the whole of Bangkok. It gives you a party vibe, but most interestingly, it will give you one of the scariest feelings of your lifetime. This is Skywalk Bangkok. Situated at the 84th floor of King Power Mahanakhan, Skywalk is one of the most popular tourist attractions now in Bangkok. To get to the building you can ride the Sky Train up to BTS station Chong Nansi. You have to get ticket from the ground floor to get to the top of the building. Monday to Friday they charge 530 baht and on weekends it's 880 baht per person. To reach the top of the building, you will be boarding the fastest shuttle elevator in Southeast Asia, which will take you to 74th floor in less than 50 seconds. The interior walls of the elevators are covered with digital screens that will take you on a mesmerizing journey through your way up the building. From there you can have a 360 view of the Bangkok City. The staff will give you a pair of shoe covers for walking on the glass floor at the top. You can take the hydraulic glass lift to reach 78th floor. Getting out of the lift you will reach the stunning 314-meter-high, 360-degree outdoor panoramic view. You can enjoy the Bangkok City and all its highlights for miles. You can enjoy the sitting at the rooftop bar and enjoy the breathtaking view of the Bangkok City with the live DJ. There is a glass tray, extended over the edge of the building. You can step into it and win over your height phobia. You can enjoy the glass tray as long as you want. The highest point of the building is called the Peak. You can see and enjoy the view of the majestic Chao Phraya River cutting through all of the Bangkok skyscrapers. This the most beautiful viewpoint of sunset in whole of Bangkok. You can enjoy an whole afternoon there followed by the sunset and the stunning night view of Bangkok City. Coming down from the skywalk, you will get to see a skydiving VR gaming zone, where you can have an VR experience of skydiving in Bangkok City. The VR game will cost you around 99 baht. If you have liked our video, don't forget to like it and subscribe to our channel for more of our travel videos and reviews.